Good morning. It is it's Tuesday. Oh my goodness, my days are running together. It's Tuesday and I'm on the way to get my hair done and I'm kind of running late. I'm so sorry, Miss Amber. I'm trying. And I have to drop off a necklace at somebody's house, and then I think I may get my nails done. Haven't decided completely yet. They really need to get done, but I just don't know if I'm gonna have time today. And I have to run a few errands while I'm here in Goldsboro. And then I have to teach dance tonight, and yeah, so it's gonna be a very busy day. I'm trying to get everything accomplished that needs to get accomplished. I'm gonna try to edit yesterday's video while I get my hair done today. And yeah, so I'm just gonna take y'all along with me. Christmas is coming up very quickly and I'm very excited for it. So I just drove all the way downtown to Goldsboro and sat down to find out that my hair appointment is tomorrow. I thought today was Wednesday. I don't know why, but I did. I thought today was Wednesday. Not being in school has really messed me up, and this is just real life Madison. This is literally how stupid I am. Ah! And I'm on the phone with Leslie because I'm ticked. Literally so mad that my hair appointment is tomorrow. Now I have to go home and actually fix my own hair. I was so happy not to fix my own hair. Literally so happy. But now I put makeup on. I got dressed up for my hair appointment. So if y'all see me wearing the same outfit again tomorrow, do not judge me. I'm like, we're big mad at myself. Big mad. So now I'm going to drive all the way back home. And you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do now. Just gonna go home and think about my life's decisions and start planning my life better, because apparently the planner that I have and the planner in my phone is not helping me. So I'll see y'all when I get home. Alrighty, so after me not getting my hair done and realizing that I get it done tomorrow, I decided to go home and I helped my mom make some necklaces, and I made a cheesecake, ate lunch, delivered some necklaces, ran to the post office, everyday, you know, errands, and now I'm sitting here waiting to pick my little sister up from school, fixing to edit the video so I can have it up at a decent time today. Or pray that it's up at a decent time today. I still have to make another friend of mine a dog bandana, and gotta run to Walmart to pick the fabric up because I ran out of fabric. And yeah, so like I said, it's just always a busy day. So we just picked up Mini-Me from school. How was school today? Good. Good. Tell them what you did, Bailey. What did you just do that you informed me of?
Me and my friends. So we have this thing. Here, you want me to do it?
Yeah, I'll let you do it.
So we have this thing called a rainy day carpool when it's raining outside. And it's where we like stand under a shelter and we wait for all the cars to go like pick us up by the shelter. And it's like a really long wait and it's really cold outside. So of course we didn't want to do that. So when the bell rung, we went the other way and we came out through the cafeteria. Like we were on the way to the cafeteria doors. Yeah. And went to the car.
So basically she just broke all the school rules, and she's a terrible kid. Now I'm about to drive by all these teachers, and I'm her sister, and they're gonna be like, well, how did she get in the car? She didn't go through the carpool line. We're just gonna wave and say, have a good day, we'll see you tomorrow.
And did you see all the other kids walking?
Yeah, but
It's cool. I don't care.
Oh well. So now we are on the way to Walmart to pick up the fabric, and then we're gonna go to the McDonald's.
We went out through those doors over there, like by the art place.
Oh. So now we're on the way to McDonald's. We're on the way to Walmart. We're gonna pick fabric up. Then we're on the way to McDonald's to get this video uploaded, and then we're gonna hotel to dance because we have like our little dance party today. So, fun times. Okay, so the video is up now. We just had to sit in the McDonald's parking lot because our Wi-Fi sucks.
We got McDonald's too.
Yeah, we did. It's a must. If you stop at McDonald's, you just gotta get McDonald's.
McDonald's is low-key good. Their fries are bomb.
They are bomb. So now we're on the way to dance. Hopefully we're not gonna be late. I'm sorry, Mama, if we are.
We're not gonna be late.
Oh, we shouldn't be. Should be like exactly on time. But
Talk to them about something.
well, I haven't done anything today because I thought I was supposed to get my hair done today, and I'm still big mad about that because I feel really stupid. And I was really excited, so I didn't fix my hair because this is like day 3 hair, and I didn't really feel like washing it, so I got excited not to have to wash my hair. Woohoo! Fix the blowout!
Oh, we were watching Frozen the other day. Miss White says,
Take my hand. Now, what a lady. Down, down. You did I'm in town. Party's going down. Shoot 'em down. With a 50 rounds. Look at my bank account. Look at the cash amount. I get the cash amount. I do the dash amount. I'm strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. With you, shawty, with you, shawty, with you. Santa, tell me if you're really dead.
8 point bucks in autumn and freshly cut cornfields. One arm out the window and one hand on the wheel. Some things just go back.
Make you smile, do you think of me? When you close your eyes, tell me I'd spend 10,000 hours, 10,000 more. If that's what it was.
now I don't have to drink these lame juice boxes. Okay, so someone gave us chocolates for Christmas.
We're doing a taste test for all y'all. Dang, I can't get this open. Hold on.
Okay, I got mine almost. I got mine almost. Ooh. Madison and Bailey opened their boxes for a straight 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, these are cute.
This is. You can't see it.
Uh-oh.
It's dark.
They look like little packets.
Okay, which one?
Yeah, there we go.
Sort of chocolate. Does anyone tell me what I want? I'm very picky. I have a hard time.
I'll try all of them.
I need to.
Okay, I'm gonna try all of them.
Okay. Let's get the one. We're gonna do it at the same time. Get the one like this.
What is it?
I don't know.
There's 2 like that.
Yeah, I know. Get the one though. Yeah.
The
Ready?
darkest one.
Yeah. Cheers.
I don't like dark chocolate, so
I don't know what's in it. I can't eat it.
it's chocolate and chocolate now.
Can I get the other one like that? Cheers. Oh, this is the chocolate.
This is
Couple crumbs all in my core.
there's caramel.
Oh, it's caramel?
Is it?
Oh no, I don't eat it.
I think it is, but I'm gonna wait to eat it till last second.
Okay, now we're gonna do this one. Cheers.
Like this is the strawberry filling one.
I don't know what these are.
Oh, it's just caramel. That's good. Alright, and this one that looks like Reese's.
Cheers.
I feel like this is gonna be the worst one. I'm eating it.
I have a hard time eating things that I don't know what they are.
It's just straight up chocolate.
My
With like
name's
pecans and stuff in
Madison,
it.
and I'm the pickiest eater alive. If it's not chicken tenders, steak, or French fries, potatoes of some sort, I don't want it.
All of these are good. Better than the big ones.
I'm glad you thought so.
These two are just caramel, Madison. One's dark chocolate, one's milk.
The camera just didn't look right, so I didn't know. Alrighty, so I'm fixing to drive home. So if anybody wonders how me and Leslie spend our nights, it's literally us FaceTiming, watching TikToks that we have sent each other throughout the day. We just do watch.
And we both have two completely different senses of humor. So the ones I find hilarious, Madison doesn't find hilarious. But like we know when each other find them hilarious, so then we're just like, oh, Madison would think this is funny, so we send it to each other.
And we do this all day, literally. And then at night we'd just be talking about the TikToks and how, oh, we should make this one, and then never make it. That's literally what happens.
Well, I have no like hand-eye coordination really, so I don't think that I can be doing the dancing things. I can do the ones where people get hurt.
I just want to do the stupid ones, but nobody ever wants to participate in those. So.
I mean, I do, but we don't ever do it.
I know. Oh. Alright, so I'm fixing to end this vlog right here. And I hope everybody just has a great day and they're having fun, you know, getting ready to celebrate Christmas. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell button on so you know when I have posted my videos. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I think that's it. So, thank y'all for watching today's vlog, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.